Hello everyone, my name is Shasmisree and welcome to my channel Shasmisree. As we all know, Durga Puja is right around the corner. I am very excited for it. And for those who don't know what Durga Puja is, for all my Canadian subscribers, Durga Puja is a festival which we celebrate back in India. In Durga Puja, we worship Goddess Durga, who stands for the triumph of good over evil. And we celebrate it with great enthusiasm and grandly. And I love Durga Puja. It's one of my favorite festivals when I was a kid, and back in India I used to love it. We celebrate it mostly for the 6 days. That's from Sashti till the Dashera, and it used to be grand. Those 6 days used to go in a snap, and we used to celebrate with friends and families and foods. It's like Christmas for us. So when we were kids, we used to get gifts, we used to get new dresses, we used to get money from relatives, and it used to be like very good time. And I always become happy whenever I think about Durga Puja. So I love getting dolled up for Durga Puja, and so I thought there are many people like me who are in India and who like to celebrate Durga Puja with such enthusiasm. So this look is for them who want to get ready, and in the morning when you don't have time, don't worry, I got it covered. This look will be done in 10 minutes, believe me. And for today's look, I went for a simple purple and golden dress, and I got ready according to those color schemes. I do that a lot. I get my eyeshadow look done according to the dress which I am wearing, and you may be surprised, this is a complete drugstore look. So if you want to get dolled up and you want to get ready for Durga Puja, then keep on watching, because you will be amazed that you can get this look done in just 10 minutes and yet you are ready to go and rock Durga Puja. So happy Durga Puja to all my subscribers who celebrate Dashera, and let's get started on how to get this look. Today I'll be using a BB cream because in the morning I don't need a foundation. Still, I'll be using a very glowing primer. I'll be using this e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer. Let's get started. Before starting makeup, don't forget to do your skincare. So I'll be just taking a small amount of product and I'll apply it on my nose, on my cheekbone, on my forehead, and that's it. You can totally skip primer if you're not having it or you don't want to use. That's up to your choice. So in place of foundation, I'll be using this Garnier Bb Cream. It will be your skin but better. So this is Garnier Skin Active BB Cream, and it's for medium to dark skin. Yes, I'll be using the medium to dark skin because that's the correct color for me. So I'll just take little product on back of my hand, and then I'll just rub it a bit like this, so as to warm up the product, and then dot it across my face. Don't forget your ears and your neck. You want the color to match your neck as well as your face. You can use your fingers. I'll be using this stippling brush from Real Technique. See, in seconds you can just blend this BB cream onto your face, and it is like your skin but better. Now I'm going to use concealer to cover up my dark circles and pigmentation. For that I'll be using this NYX concealer in a jar, full coverage concealer. I like this one. I'll just take the product, put it on my eyebrow pencil and dot it. And to highlight under my eye, I'll be using this Maybelline Age Refined concealer. Bit on bridge of my nose and a little on my forehead, just to highlight. And then using the same stippling brush, Concealer is well blended onto my skin. To set that, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 20. Before you use the loose powder or any setting powder under your eyes, remember to properly remove any crease. I'll just pat everything with my finger and then apply, look up and apply the loose powder. Once my under eye is set, I'll take more powder, dust off the excess and then apply it on areas where I have applied the concealer. If you are a dry skin person and you don't want to use powder on the rest of your face, you can totally avoid. Now our base is done, we'll move on to eyes. For eyes, since I'm wearing a purple and golden combination of dress, so I'll try to do my eye also in that same color combination. It's always nice to have a golden color or a golden olive color in that family. If you have a shimmer color in that family, then it becomes very easy for any functions or any puja, because you just apply that shimmer and use a matte shadow on your crease and your eye makeup is done. So for that, today I will be using this beautiful golden olive color on my eyelids, and for my crease I'll be using few colors from this Colourpop Ooh La La palette. This is a pink palette. First I'll use this pink color, Sandbar. Just pick some color, dust off the excess, close your eyes and then put the color on your crease. I'll be using this Wet n Wild blending brush and I'll start blending it. I'll blend that color above my crease. And now you can see it's all very soft and subtle and it doesn't look harsh or anything like that. And after that I'll be using this color Caddy, this little purple color, and I'll be deepening my crease. Taking the same blending brush, I'll blend the both colors. Now you can see that the crease and everything is over. Now it comes for the eyelid. To keep it very simple, you can use a shimmery shade, any shimmery shade you like. You can use a finger or a shadow brush like this. I always love using fingers to apply shimmer shade. So I'll be using this shade. I'll take it on my finger and then I'll apply it on the eyelid. See how this shimmer takes the eye looks to a complete different tangent itself. So I'll use the same blending brush. I'll start blending the eyeshadows so that nothing looks harsh. Golden always go good with all our ethnic wear. Now I'll use the same purple shade which I used on my crease for my low lashes. Taking a small pencil brush or a small shader brush, I'll just take the shade Caddy, dust off the excess and start applying on my lower lashes. Taking a blending brush, blend it. Now for the inner corner, use this shade Pickle. Okay, now we'll move on to blush, and if you don't have a different blush, then from any eyeshadow palette you're using, choose a color which is a little muted but would look great as a blush. For right now I'm not finding my blush, so I'll be using this Poodle shadow as my blush. So I'll take a brush. So I'll be using that as my blush today. So I'll take this shadow Poodle and dust off the excess. Smile and just pull it upwards. And blend it properly so nothing looks out of its place and looks very nice and blended. And for highlighter today, we'll be using this Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold. I'll use a fine brush to apply my highlighter today. Just swirl it, dust off the excess, and then when we apply highlighter with fan brush, it gives a subtle glow. It's not too overpowering. So if you are new to makeup and you are trying to apply highlighter and you are too intimidated by it, then use a fan brush because it will tone down a lot. After highlighter, I'll be using this MAC Fix Plus. You can use any setting spray, and if you're having the makeup only for just few hours, then there's no need. But I usually recommend using setting spray, be it any kind of setting spray, so that if there's excess spot on your face, that gets toned down. Now for eyebrows, I didn't do anything because my eyebrows is well groomed. I'll just take a spoolie brush and just comb it through so that if there's any powder products that deposited, it will just sweep away. As you can see, my just starting area is little sparse, so I'll just run the eyebrow pencil very lightly on the front area. So I just filled in the front ends of my eyebrows, and then again I'll run my spoolie brush in this manner, and the eyebrows are done. For mascara, today I'll be using this Lancome Big Monsieur mascara. This is a sample size, and I love using mascaras in sample size because you will be sure that you are going to finish it as well before you go and get another bottle of any mascara, because mascaras, don't use them more than 3 months. It's not good for your eyes. Okay, I forgot to do my liner and I went straight to mascara. So we'll rectify that, and first I'll apply my liner, then I'll go ahead and do the mascara for this eye. For liner today, I'll be using this gel liner. You can use any liner you have. You can use a pencil liner, you can use a gel liner, you can use anything you're comfortable with. So I'll be using a black liner today. Take the liner in a pencil brush, and then I'll start carving out. I'll be just pulling a bit of the liner into my inner corners so that it gives that elongated cat eye look. I'll do the similar thing on my other eye. I'll apply mascara and then I'll come back. For my waterline, I'll be using this is the NYX Off Tropic liner in this pink color. After applying my eyeliner on my lower lash line, now I'll apply mascara onto my lower lashes. You can see this mascara makes your lashes so big that mine literally touched my brow bone, and this is big of mascara over there. So be careful while applying it on your lower lashes, because if this smudges, it doesn't look that good. My mascara is done. To remove that speck of mascara which goes on your eyeshadow or on your eyelid, what you have to do is wait for it to dry and then use a spoolie brush or anything like that, and then just pull it off and it disappears. But wait for it to dry. Don't try to rub it off before it gets dried up, or else it will be black everywhere and that doesn't look good. So our look is done, almost done. Now let's move on to our lips. So for today's lip, I'll be using a pink kind of color to go well with the purples and pinks in the eyes. I'm keeping the red for the full glam on look. So for today, I'll be using this MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in the shade Shocking Revelation. I had balm on my lips, so before applying lipstick, I'll just take a tissue paper and my lips are prepped. So now for lipstick, if you want, you can fill in your lips with liner and all those stuff. I'll just apply it directly. So my lipstick is done, and this is the look which we can create in within 10 minutes for sure. Even if you try to find out stuff and do this makeup, it will be done in 10 minutes for sure. Because there's no liquid foundation, you don't need to blend it to anything. For blush, we just used one shadow from the eyeshadow itself. So I'll put on some earrings and I'll see you after that. So this is the finished look. I went ahead and added jhumkas, I added bangles and all those things because puja is not complete without having some jewelry, some accessories, some bindis and whatnot. As I said, you can get this look done in 10 minutes and you're ready for puja. This is a sweet, simple and yet a very glamorous look because of the eye makeup. You can change the look according to your eye makeup. So if you don't go for a very golden color on your eyelid, you can go for a very muted champagne color and it will look more subtle and more simple. So it's according to your preference and according to your choice. I went totally on my dress. I normally do that. I wear my eyeshadow according to my dress. That is something which I love doing. So this is the finished look and hope you like this look. And if you like this look, then don't forget to give a thumbs up to my video and do subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to sign up for the giveaway, which I'll link the video in which I've talked about the giveaway somewhere here. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and enter the giveaway. I'll see you soon with a very glamorous red and golden look for Durga Puja. I'll see you soon. Till then, bye. Take care.